Right, what we're going to do here is we've got a motor here for the mini lathe, and this is the front plate that we need to cut away all these little fins here for the mounting on the used to be a gate motor, so we're cutting it all down now. So we're just going to cut it right on the outside there of the little shoulder, then it will fit in perfectly into the mini lathe. This motor is a 24 volt DC motor, and I've upgraded my little mini lathe to a 24 volt motor DC. And yeah, this is a spare motor, so we're going to cut all these away, put new bearings in and redo the whole motor, put new brushes in, and then we'll have a spare for the for the little mini lathe. There we go. The lathe I'm using is our local supplier. It's Mac Africa, but yeah, it's all from China. It is a Bravo Volt. It's a BV20BL, and the speed we're running at the moment, we are running 450 RPM, and yeah, we're just using a normal old little cutter there, and yeah, it's quite a new lathe. I've had it for about 6 months. And only used it a couple of times, so we're still learning to see what is what in this one. Had to do a couple of stuff, upgraded the hand wheels. So yeah, let's cut it away. Okay, we're going through the 4 mounting holes, so we're getting there, and it's cutting quite nicely. I'm taking the speed more slow, so we're gonna get it done and make it look nice, and let's go for it. Okay, I've changed the angle a bit. making nice little chips. Okay, we're almost done. We've got about 6 millimeters to go. Looking good. Bad mark on the casting there. And there we go. All nicely done. Right, so what we are doing at the moment is, these are the little mini lathes, which we all know quite well. What I'm doing now is, on this one I've upgraded the motor at the back. It used to have, these little motors. Now on this one, you can see there it's the DC motor, and this is the tag that was on there. Our local supplier, Mac Africa. I'm here from South Africa. You can see it's 180 millimeter on the swing. It was a 350 watt motor, but yeah, it comes with a little control panel inside the DC panel, which kept on going faulty. So what I've done is I've upgraded the whole system, and this one has got a 24 volt power supply inside, and then over here we can set the amps. This one is a 20 amp power supply inside here. Any volts you can set over here. I'm running 25 volts on it, and I've got the all RPM for my speed, my forward, center and reverse, and also this one has got the arm at the back for the speed, low and high. At the moment it's on low, so I can go very slow. So slow. I think about 100 and I would say from about 100 all the way around about I think it's about 830, 840. That's on my low RPM, and then also it's got the forward and reverse function. So the motor we're working on now, which is the one we just turned off, the excess over here, which was the 4 mounting bolts. We've got that away. So there's the housing with the magnet inside, also a DC motor, 24 volts. The back section, I've got to replace the brushes with new ones, and then also the bearings we got to change to new ones, and do a bit of cleanup. It's very dirty. We're right here by the coast, so we got lots to do to protect stuff. And once we're finished, we got to on here just tap 2 screw holes. So at the back of the mini lathe, it's got 2 little bolts that you fasten the motor, and also you can set the tension for the drive belt. So this motor over here I got free from somebody, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to renew it, and then also keep it as a standby motor. So We'll have another one if something goes wrong with the one that's in the Lathe. These are all second-hand motors, but yeah, you do put new bearings in, new brushes. You can get another good lifespan out of it. The one that I took out, I think it's a 500 volts DC with a power supply. Yeah, as you can see, the little box took it all out. All the stuff that was in there, took all of that out, and yeah, we put it into the Lathe over here. So we still got the emergency stop, and then there we go, there it goes down. And so yeah, we've upgraded the, instead of an 80mm chuck, I've got a 100mm chuck on here. I've also got a 100mm 4-jaw independent chuck which fits on there to make a new back plate. So I've got an adapter plate that goes over the existing, so yeah, it can work on there. And then also we've got quick change tool holders. There's the old quick change post. I need to make a new one out of cast iron. This one is aluminium. So for now we still use the existing one there. Got a little guard plate over here for the chips, so we don't get it to go over here. We don't want that. And also, as you can see, we've upgraded the handles. So yeah, it works quite nice. At the back also we've replaced that one. And yeah, another one over here, so we can do a bit of turning by hand there. I've never used it for cutting threads. I've got the old big one there, which we just used now for turning off the mounts on the motor. This is a new Lathe I got a couple of months ago. So I've already started changing. There you can see I've changed, oh, where we go now. That handle I've changed. That one I've changed. So yeah, we're busy upgrading that one also. We'll do some reviews on that one also. We had to change quite a lot. Also on the back here, the thread lead screw, that little mounting, believe it or not, it was plastic. So I've got a mini Lathe also. So what I've done is a mini mill, and I've made this on my mini mill after I've upgraded my mini mill, which I'll also do another review on there in detail. I'll just put on a couple of videos, yeah, just to get things going. Still learning a lot how to do the videos, but we'll get there. Okay, we're going to pause over here, and then we'll carry on with the assemble of the motor with the new bearings. Alright, the bearings we're going to replace it with. I like to use the one with the little plastic guard in there, the rubber one, so we can take it out and always repack them if you need to. These ones, yeah, you can't, I've tried taking out the little bearing cover there, but yeah, it gets damaged. These rubber ones are nice. You can clean the bearings, repack them, and yeah, you can reuse them. The bearings that goes into this motor is, it's a BTC 6000 2RS C3. I've replaced the bearings in the old mini Lathe also, in the motor that's in there. And yeah, one thing I still got to do is upgrade the main bearings in here. Still got the original bearings, and I must say, so far it's been holding up. I only do cutting of brass, Teflon, nylon, little plastics, aluminium I also do on this one. I don't do heavy metals or stainless steels. That's why I upgraded and got the old big boy there to do stuff like that. But yeah, this one is just for all the small stuff. This Lathe is the mini Lathe 6x14, and yeah, it's got all metal gears, no plastic gears in this one, all metal gears.